Okay, who's on that phone, a 404 number? Who's on that phone, that 404 number that just called in?
Mr. Tommy Garcia.
Tommy Garcia?
Yes.
All right, good morning.
Good morning, everyone. Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins. While court is in session, please keep your backgrounds quiet and clear. Sit back if you need to be called. Also, if you're in a vehicle, there is no driving while court is in session. Also, there is no talking, eating, drinking, gum, chewing, walking around, or smoking of any kind, and please remain properly dressed at all times. Thank you. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Andrew Michael Guerrero, case number SP12751. Right, can you hear me, Mr.?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hold on, Mr. Guerrero.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I didn't make out the cases you called because of the rustling background.
Start over again. This is the city of Detroit versus Andrew Michael Guerrero, case number SP123-52751, SP123-52891, SP134-67231. Appearance for the record, please.
Linda Perkins, board plaintiff, Your Honor.
Today is the date time set. Let me see. There's some other cases that weren't listed on docket today.
Ms. Longino, can you mute your device, please?
And that's the one final case is set for arraignment. Go ahead, Counselor.
On behalf of the defendant, Your Honor, in arraignment, he wishes to stand mute, waive his form of reading, and continues his plea of not guilty.
Coming in a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give him a $0 bond. He has an option of taking a failure to. Let me mute you until I need you to say something, Mr. Guerrero.
Okay.
You have an option of taking a failure to display a $240 fine. That is a misdemeanor. That is that does abstract to the Secretary of State. However, it does not carry any points. And but that abstraction will likely generate an additional 30-day suspension. We'll dismiss the other two counts, and that's it. You also have an absolute right to a trial if you need to, if you want to. And you can speak to Ms. Perkins more in a breakout room if you need to help her, help you make an informed decision. What would you like to do? Now you have to unmute yourself. Now you have to unmute yourself.
Oh, okay. I just wanted to plead guilty, but I need like a week to pay the ticket. I'll take the plea and plead guilty, but I just started a new job. So if I can have like a week or two to pay the ticket, it'd be perfect.
Okay. Can you raise your right hand, please, sir? Did you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
Right, you can put your hand down. You understand that the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
You understand that by taking this offer, you're gonna give up that trial right?
Yes, sir.
Anybody else with anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
Okay, so let me draw your attention back to August the 5th, 2021 at around 4:35 PM in the city of Detroit in the area of Lanyo and the I-94 ramp.
Yes, sir.
On that date, were you asked to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes, sir.
Couldn't do so, could you, sir?
No, sir.
Why is that?
I didn't have a license and I was just driving to work. I paid my tickets off. I've been waiting on this board to get my license and I was wrong. I accept responsibility for it.
All right, there, I'll find you guilty as charged of failure to display a valid driver's license. Upon stipulation of probable cause, counselor, I'll dismiss the other two counts.
Stipulate.
May it please this honorable court, Dante Goss, P60162. Your Honor, can I ask Mr. Guerrero a quick question?
Yes,
Mr. Guerrero, are you trying to get a driver's license now?
Yes, sir. I paid off all the tickets. I've been waiting on the board for like 4 months.
Okay, Your Honor. Okay, Mr. Guerrero, Your Honor, we can do allowing this matter so it won't give him that 30 days additional suspension so he can be able to get a driver's license.
okay. I'm gonna amend the ticket now to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive based on that recommendation from the people. And I'm gonna fine you the same $240. However, this time, I'm gonna dismiss the ticket upon payment of the $240. Will not abstract, you will not have a misdemeanor record if you pay the ticket off.
Thank you, sir.
All right, all right, now let's talk about when you can pay. You said 2 weeks. Give me a realistic number, sir.
2 weeks tops.
All right,
I get
2
my
weeks.
first check. I get my first check today. I just got to pay rent. So next Thursday or Friday, I'll have it. Or the
All right.
following week after that.
I'm just gonna say August. I'm gonna have you back too for this one. We'll set it for a review to make sure we close it out right. I'm gonna say
Okay.
come back August 29th, 2022 at 8:25. If you have it paid off, then you don't have to come back. We'll close it out. But if it's not paid off, you need to come back and we need to discuss that.
All right, Your Honor, it'll be paid off.
All right, if there's nothing further, you have a very good day, sir.
Thank you, sir.
All right, good luck to you.
Yeah, thanks. Bye.
All right, Ms. Long, your attorney checked in. We're gonna wait, I guess, to see if there is an officer that checks in with that. If not, we'll call the case at 9 o'clock. Mr. Loman, you have a trial set at 9 o'clock. You will not be heard until 9 o'clock or thereafter. And if the officer will give the officer a half-hour grace period. If he doesn't check in, we'll call your case at 9:30, all right?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we got Levi Lindsay.
Yes.
Morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
This is the city of Detroit versus Levi D'Angelo Lindsay, case number SP 1226251, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1319266, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Linda Perkins Moore appearing on behalf of Mr. Lagina, defending the honor, Mr. Lindsay. Mr. Lindsay, state your name.
Levi D'Angelo Lindsay.
Honor matters are scheduled for pretrial today.
All right, scheduled for pretrial. Needs a failure to stop, no proof of insurance, license suspended, and no insurance. Mr. Goss, I'm gonna set aside the defaults on the failure to stop and no proof of insurance civil infractions. Allow him to be heard on that. Mr. Goss? What about your driver's license, sir? Do you have a driver's license?
Mine suspended.
Do you have proof of insurance for this vehicle or any vehicle that you're driving?
Well, I haven't had no car ever since I got pulled over. My car been in the shop.
Where's Mr. Goss? Thank you. I see it. Okay, was Mr. Goss, is he there? Any offer that's available to you, sir, you have an absolute right to a trial if you don't want to take that offer. All right, don't wait to see if we can get Mr. City Attorney in here on this and get you an offer, right? All right, who's on the phone at 313-347-3307?
Can you hear me, Your Honor?
Yeah, what's your name, sir? Good morning to you.
Good morning. My name is Daryl Dick, and I was just going to watch the proceedings for my son, DeMarco Dick.
And where is he? This is not the right courtroom.
That's not the courtroom? Okay,
No.
thank you.
Spell your son's last name.
D-I-C-K.
B-I-C-K.
Yes,
And DeMarco,
yes,
D-E-M-A-R-C-O.
D-A-M-A-R-C-O.
D-A-M-A-R-C-O.
Yes,
And it's just V-I-C-K, DeMarco Vic.
yes.
I don't see him on here. I don't see him on here at all, so I can't even direct you to what courtroom he is. I got V-I-C-K and D-A-M-A-R-C-O.
Yes, it was supposed to be the courtroom of Judge Robbins, and this was the Zoom ID number that I was given.
No, Judge Robbins is not, well, let's get Judge Robbins' courtroom. The best way to do it is go online to the 36th District Court website and look up Judge Robbins' name. And Judge Robbins, you can go to you don't have to sign in on the Zoom. you can watch on YouTube.
Okay, thank you.
All right, good luck to you and your son, sir.
All right, thanks.
Who's on the phone? Good morning, Trooper Anderson. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with the city attorney when he shows up.
I'm right here, Your Honor.
Okay, let's put your appearance on the record, Counselor.
Dante Goss for the people.
I have Lindsay D'Angelo, Levi D'Angelo Lindsay. He has a failure to stop, no proof of insurance, civil infractions. Driving while license suspended and no insurance misdemeanor. What would his offer be?
Is he working on getting his driver's license, Your Honor?
Where are you at with
What's the status?
your license, sir? You trying to get a license?
I already got my license. I'm gonna start paying on my tickets next week. I just started a job.
You didn't have a license.
I said I had a license. I said my license was suspended.
Wait a minute. Am I hearing things, Miss Perkins Moore?
No, you hear things. I heard what you said.
You said he had a license, but his
Right.
license is suspended.
Yeah.
So how do you have a license?
Right.
Oh, you got the little card that's not worth the plastic it's printed on, is it?
At the
Sure.
time, I didn't know my license was suspended.
All right, let's see what I'm gonna see what your license status is, sir. Because I don't know if you know.
I'm going to the breakout room. I'll be right back, Your Honor.
On that 404, I got the 404, that's Tommy Garcia. On that 248, 63, 28766, who is that? Good morning to you.
Good morning. My name is Kiana O'Neill.
All right, good morning, Mrs. O'Neill.
Good morning.
What's this license look like? Oh, okay. You were right the first time, so you don't have a valid driver's license. Not bad, though. Your license got suspended just for this stuff here, obviously. How is that? Actually, for this, no proof of insurance. Civil infraction that would let you let go into the car. All right, we're gonna offer him a failure to display valid driver's license, $240 fine. And since Mr. Goss is not here, we'll dismiss the rest. That's gonna not abstract to the Secretary of State. You pay $240, sir, and you'll be able to get a license.
Can I pay that next week?
Yeah, you can pay it next week. You wanna take the deal?
I ain't hear the deal what you said.
Allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, it's $240.
Uh-huh.
All right, you want to take that deal that doesn't abstract to the Secretary of State, it does not carry any points, I'll dismiss the ticket upon payment, all right?
Okay, I just gotta pay that $240.
Yeah, you understand what's going on?
Say it. Hello?
Do you understand what's going on?
No, I'm trying to.
All right, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with the lawyer so you can explain to me.
Okay.
Oh, very well. All right, join the room, sir. Okay. Gant.
Good morning.
Good morning to you. All right, Ms. Gann, we'll just talk off record about this ticket. This ticket is an alcohol-related offense. It's 2 points on your driving record to take the deal. The only offer the city offers is what I call a non-offer.
Read the ticket.
I know, it's still a non-offer.
Yeah, but read the ticket. Should have been an OWI.
No,
It's trial.
right, I'm trying, I think he has.
What's that?
Yeah, no, no.
Loan. Here, loan, we don't need Abigail.
No. If the officer comes, she's gonna take my case.
I got who's the trooper?
That's what we try to figure out.
The loan? Okay, no officer. Yep. This is, loan, this loan. I mentioned this. Right. A little too young to tie the knot, not necessarily. I tied the knot at 20. No, I was all right.
Are you sure?
Huh? What?
You don't remember?
I do.
You don't wanna tell him?
About 27, I think.
What I need is young.
Okay, so let's get back to Mrs. Gann. Miss Gann?
Yes.
Yeah, Miss Gann, so you gotta open alcohol in a motor vehicle. Which, it looks like you got real lucky with that. But nevertheless, that's an alcohol-related offense, 2 points on your driver's license, $240 fine. The city is also willing to amend that to well, we'll talk. Go ahead, Ms. Perkins Morris. Mr. Lindsay Dunn,
Yes, Your Honor, he wants to take advantage of the offer.
does he understand what's going on? All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Levi Lindsay. Sir, did you get some clarification on what's going on?
Yes,
You want to take the deal, sir?
yes,
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
yes, sir.
You can put your hand down, sir. Sir, do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes,
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
yes,
You understand by taking this offer, you're going to give up that trial right?
yes.
You
No,
understand that?
yes.
Well, what is it, sir?
My phone breaking up, but to the last one is no.
You don't understand the fact that if you have the right to a trial, but you entered into this agreement here, and if you want to enter into this agreement, you're going to give up that right to a trial and plead guilty to what we discussed.
Yeah, I'll plead guilty, yeah.
Okay, so you know you're going to give up the right to the trial, right?
Yes,
By pleading guilty.
yes.
All right, and has anybody offered you anything other than what we discussed earlier?
No,
Okay, so let me draw your attention back to March the 11th, 2022, at around 11:51 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Harper and Whittier Street, sir. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
yes,
On that day, did that officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
yes.
You couldn't do that, could you, sir?
I gave him my driver's license and he came back and told me my license was suspended, but I didn't know at the time that my license was suspended.
All right, you know that's no defense, the charge?
Huh?
Knowing, I mean, unfortunately, I see probably why you didn't know, You probably had that ticket that you either forgot about or whatever happened with that, and that subsequently suspended your license. So upon you getting pulled over here, at that time, it appears you didn't have a valid driver's license. Are you contesting that?
Yes.
Are you gonna contest the fact that your license was not valid at the time?
Yes, my license was valid at the time, but I didn't know. I hadn't received no letter in the mail or nothing like that. I only had the ticket. But at around that time, I had lost my grandma and stuff like that, so I got time to track.
I just want to make sure you understand what's going on.
Yes, I understand.
So do you understand that? Are you disputing the fact that at that time that officer pulled you over? Are you disputing the fact that you didn't have a valid driver's license?
Yes, I didn't have one.
Are you would agree? You would agree to that, right?
Yes.
Yeah, I need to hear you, sir. All right. With that, I'm going to find you guilty of the amended count of allowing. I'm going to fine you $240 for that, and I'm going to dismiss that upon payment. And with stipulation of probable cause, I'm going to dismiss the other matters.
Stipulate, Your Honor.
All right. We're going to send a note down there to the abstract clerk for that no insurance proof so that we can hurry up and see if we can get your license back reinstated.
Okay.
When you're going to be able to pay this, sir?
By next Wednesday.
By next Wednesday?
Yeah.
How about we have you back next Friday and we can make sure that it's paid and we can make sure it gets closed out properly.
Okay. What time Friday?
Right, so I'm going to set a review date for August the 19th, 2022 at 8:25 a.m.
8:25.
Yeah, not August 19th. Make sure you get that paid. We'll dismiss that ticket and you'll be able to get your driver's license back, okay?
Yes, I'm gonna pay it.
All right, very well. Come back in. If you pay it, I'll pay it at any dig bag kiosk in the city of Detroit or go online and pay it in person, all right? I mean, strike that. Pay it at any dig bag kiosk in the city of Detroit or come down to the court and pay it. Don't pay it online because that takes too long to go through.
Yeah, I'll just come in. That's fine. I have somebody bring me down there.
Very well, sir. Good luck to you. Have a great day.
Okay, thank you.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Abigail. Wait a minute. We have Corporal Robbins. This is not Corporal Robbins. This is the city of Detroit versus Abigail Long. Case number SD 1307961. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Eric Plusson on behalf of Ms. Long.
All right. Good morning to you. And Ms. Long, can you state your name for the record, please?
Abigail Long.
Okay. Good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for trial in a formal hearing in the matter. Go ahead, Counselor.
Your Honor, we've met with the city attorney and we've reached an agreement, which I'm prepared to put on the record if you don't have in front of you.
Well, I don't know if you want to do that.
Oh, is the officer here? I thought I met with an officer, a trooper.
The agreement, I don't know what agreement that you had, but it's now 9 o'clock. And the officer was supposed to be here at 8:30. I give him a half-hour grace period. And let me find out, is there an officer, Medrino, MEDRANO, badge number 2635. I haven't seen that officer in the breakout room. Go ahead, Counselor.
Very well, Your Honor. We move to dismiss the ticket.
All right, case is gonna be dismissed, no officer. If there's nothing further, you and your client have a very good day.
Thank you, Your Honor. You as well.
Excuse me, Your Honor. This is Ms. Gant speaking. Did we ever finish?
We're gonna finish now, Ms. Gant.
Okay.
All right, you got places to go, right, Ms. Gant?
No, I just have to go to work.
Well, you got places to go.
Well, later, I work afternoon, so I didn't get home this morning until 4 a.m.
All right, so you got money to pay now. Let me stop.
If my life depends on it, yes.
If you're only if your life depends on it, I don't think this will have anything to do with your life depending on it here, but let's call the case. This is the city of Detroit versus Cassandra Shea Carroll Grant Gant. Case number SP 132-39141. Appearance for the record, please.
Linda Perkins Moore, appearing on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor. Ms. Gant, state your name.
Cassandra Shakiro Gant.
Today is the date and time set for pre-trial in the matter. We were discussing this before while you were in the breakout room, Counselor. It's good that you're here now so you can get her some understanding if she needs it. Ms. Gant is charged with open alcohol in a motor vehicle driving. I told her that's an alcohol-related offense on her. If she pled guilty or was found guilty as charged, that would be an alcohol-related offense on her driving record. And that would be 2 points on her driving record. And I would fine her $240 for that. And the city is only willing to offer her an amended count of open alcohol in the motor vehicle passenger. I call that a non-offer. Because the open alcohol in the motor vehicle passenger is still an alcohol-related offense on your driving record. It's still 2 points on your driver's license, and it's still the same $240. So, Ms. Gant, you can take that offer of open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger, or you can set a trial date and see if you can do better. You can't do any worse. At worst case scenario, you do the same. But you could do better if the officer doesn't show up or if the officer doesn't have any recollection. What would you like to do? And you can speak with Mrs. Perkins more in a breakout room if you choose to.
Okay, just a quick question. If I was to take the deal and get the 2 points on my license, what would be my license status afterwards?
I mean, you would still be valid, but I'm sure your insurance is going to skyrocket through the roof with an alcohol-related violation on your driving record and 2 points.
Okay.
It sounds like you're flush with cash. You're working all them hours. Maybe.
Didn't say that, Your Honor, but I'll take the deal.
Well, go into the breakout.
No. Let's go into the breakout. Let's go into the breakout room.
Okay.
Not yet, Your Honor. Not yet.
That's what she's here for. She's a super attorney. So, and it's not costing you anything. So you might as well use her services while you have them. Because you might not be able to afford to hire her if you had to retain her, but use her services now. Now, I'm sure she'll work if you had to retain her. Join the room, man. All right, Mrs. Cassette. Did I get that right? I was looking for you earlier. You left. You got to unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Let's see where, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Let's see if we can help you get to where you need to be. You need to be next door. You need to dial 435.
435. Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Yeah, 360-435-0000.
Thank you so much.
Very much. Have a great day, ma'am.
You too.
All right, all I have here is ROAs for you, Ms. Longino.
What's that again?
All I have for you is register of actions. I'll let the Ms. Perkins Moore explain how my feelings on those. You'll be next. You also entered into some payment plans, ma'am, that you seem like you made one but didn't make the other two.
So what's going on? So the SAC, which is the wrong person. I think he got the other guy's badge. So, because they subpoena people by the badge number.
Oh.
So I think that's how.
Oh, so they recycle badge numbers too?
Oh, yeah. Yeah. So I asked Mrs. Mathis to call. It's cold, let her know. The truth was here, so he should get credit for showing up. It's the first time, but 5 months.
Okay. I imagine she can't get out that room. There she goes. All right, let's go back on the record with Miss Gant. Ms. Gant, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel in the breakout room. Does that change your mind on what you want to do, ma'am?
Yes, it does.
All right, you come back and see us one more time, and then we'll have a resolution. That date's going to be October the 14th, 2022 at 9 a.m.
Okay.
Right, and you can save that 240 up too, just in case.
Got you.
All right, if there's nothing further, that's going to be a trial date. Have a very good day, ma'am. Good luck to you.
I think I did have one other question. Could you tell me my license status as of now?
Your license as of now, you don't know that? You've been driving around, you don't know your license status?
Well, no, I haven't really been driving around because they took my license when when all of this happened at the police station, and they never gave it back.
Well, can you run a driver's license, please? You may be able to just go back to the Secretary of State. You didn't read the allegation, did you, Ms. Perkins Moore?
No, I don't have them.
Sound like it could have been a lot more serious than this.
Right, because they wouldn't have just taken a license for that.
All right, let's go with, let's move on. We'll pull that. Hold on 1 second. Your license is valid, ma'am.
Thank you.
All right, have a very good day.
You too.
All right, let's go ahead with Mrs. Vanetta Charisse Longino.
Yeah. Yes.
I got it pronounced right?
Yes.
All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Vanetta Charisse Longino, case number SP 1330315, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Linda Perkins Moore appearing on behalf of Miss Longino. Miss Longino, state your name, please.
Vanetta Charisse Longino.
You got scheduled for pretrial.
All right, so scheduled for pretrial date. Do you have a valid driver's license, ma'am?
Yes, I had it on the first court date. I was informed to just have everything together, and then I just got set over to another date. I had everything then.
Let's see what let's run a driver's license first. And then, let's see if you have valid insurance and registration.
The driver's license is here.
We
Registration.
know how that goes. That, like I say to Mr. Lindsay, that might be not where the plastic is printed on, but I gotta think, you know, he didn't really know what was going on, I don't think. All right, let's see what you have.
That's from, here's my, the registration. I'm looking for
Oh,
them.
you just flashed that. Let me see.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't, wait.
You saw that move, Mr. Loman? She just went by the screen.
Can you see it?
Let me see, 527. All right, that's good.
Okay,
She
there my
flashed that
driver.
one like that. She said, I don't need to see that. I'm gonna see that myself.
There's my driver's
I don't need
license.
to see that. I'm gonna see that myself. I'm gonna get
What?
that from the authority. I told
Oh,
you that
okay.
might not be worth the plastic is printed on. Good morning, APA Cole.
Good morning. I understand you needed to see me.
Yeah, I think Trooper wants to see you. Go ahead, let's see the insurance now.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I don't know. I don't know. Wait a minute. Push it up there. I gotta see the words. I gotta read it.
I'm covering up. I mean, I'm blocking the tablet, so I can't see what I'm actually showing you.
Now push it up. I'll tell you, go over to your left. Your other left. All right, raise it up some more higher. Raise it up, okay. Up some more and pull it back a little bit. All right, there we go. All right, very well. Do we have a valid, okay, we're gonna dismiss the tickets based on providing valid documentation, all right?
Yes, thank you.
All right, have a great day, ma'am.
Thank you, you too.
Maybe there's plaintiff.
They didn't have anything but ROAs in those tickets anyway, was Are you free to leave?
I'm trying to. I don't understand this. I mean,
I'll put you out.
Okay, thank you.
Tommy Garcia. This is the city of Detroit versus Tommy Lee Garcia. Case number SP 1257725, counts 1, 2, and 3. Excuse me, SP 1357708, count 1, 2, and 3. SP 1357709, 1. SP 1369321, counts 1, 2, and 3. For the record, please. Yeah, unmute yourself, Ms. Perkins. Ms. Perkins, appearance for the record, please.
You sit on mute, Ms. Moore.
You're muted, Ms. Perkins Moore. Not talking to us. Ms. Perkins Moore.
What is the problem, Ms. Perkins Moore? You know you're muted? I don't know what the problem is.
She's not talking to us, it doesn't look like, and she's having another conversation.
Oh, my goodness.
Somebody send her a chat.
No, this is.
Stop.
Ms. Perkins Moore? Can you unmute Ms. Perkins Moore?
Ms. Perkins Moore,
Turned it down.
we need you to unmute yourself, please.
Maybe we can send a chat.
Oh, long girl at work.
I sent a chat, Your Honor.
Hello, can you hear me?
Ms. Perkins Moore. We're waiting on you. Ms. Perkins Moore. I sent the chat. I don't know what's going on with her device. All right, let me put her out. Mr. Garcia, did you sign in on that Galaxy Z Fold 356?
I don't think this is a Galaxy.
You were called in and then you signed in on another device?
Oh, okay, yeah. I called in and then I actually went to the Zoom app.
Can we run Mr. Garcia's license, please?
Mr. Norman. Corporal Robbins, do you have them print out another ticket? It wasn't in the file.
It wasn't, okay.
Right,
I have.
Robbins. So that's gonna be the FTD.
So you said for the month then?
Unless he got a driver's
You
license.
said Mark Robbins.
Right. So. I don't think Officer Man can show up. Doctor, but huh? Hey, you're rubbing off after a year and a half together.
Here, we need a license. Mr. Garcia, you just have an expired license. It might be able to get a driver's license. We need an offer for him.
Let him go get a license. Let him go get a license, come back.
Do you want to go get a license, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we're gonna wait till call Ms. Perkins Moore.
Hey, James, just remember, I'm calling for the prosecutor. He pulled one of the files, SP2.
Oh, the driver's seat.
Trace the document. Calendar. SP 11729 Joseph Logan. 8117229. You can email me that. Go upstairs. Just give me the sentence and I'm ready. Yeah, if if you print the ticket and then just scan it through your scanner, and then I'll print it. You ain't gotta. I mean, if you know it, I mean. Okay, bye-bye.
So,
Perkins, I don't know what's going on with your device, but we were trying to contact you.
I'm here, Judge. I'm sorry.
No, I don't know what.
I had another, I'm sorry.
All right, let's put your appearance on the record for Mr. Garcia, Tommy Garcia, please.
Linda Perkins Moore on behalf of defendant, Your Honor.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. You got a lot of charges sitting here, sir, mostly paper charges, all paper charges, unregistered, untitled, no insurance, improper plates, and a no driver's license. Off the record, I told you I'd give you an opportunity to come back with a valid driver's license. It has on here its license is expired. Let me see if there's anything to note. Have you ever had a driver's license?
Yes, years ago.
How long ago?
It's been some years, Your Honor.
And you're sitting behind the wheel of a car now?
I'm actually at a job right now. I just acquired this spot.
I won't even ask any further questions on that. But he looks like he's sitting behind the wheel of a car. With my eyes. All right, I'm gonna set a pretrial in the matter for October 17th.
Okay.
I knew he wanted to come back when Miss Gant was here, but it's October 17th. All right. Come
Yes,
back and bring driver's license, valid insurance and registration. And I'm convinced that the city attorney will give you an offer you can live with, all right?
Okay, yeah, yes, Your Honor, but I have a question for you because you're right, I do got a few tickets. And I need to know what this one is actually for. And where was this one located? Where did I get pulled over for this one?
This one or all of these, because there's a number of them.
So this is all in one case right now? Because I got a few tickets.
I'm treating it like a one-stop shop for you, man.
Okay.
So you don't have to keep coming back to court. So the first ticket was, the allegation was made on October 7th, 2021. And they say you were on Joy Road in Longacre.
Okay.
The second, that was 3 tickets that are issued on that stop. The second ticket was issued on May the 30th, 2022. They say you were on Jefferson and Orleans. That was 3 tickets issued on that stop. Maybe 4 tickets issued on that stop. And then the next 3 tickets were issued on July the 2nd, 2022. And they say you were on Greenfield and Jeffries Freeway. So they say you go from east side to west side and get tickets.
Yeah. Okay. So the first one, the reason why I asked you, Yeah, Your Honor, you're right.
I mean,
But,
there's still allegations. I mean, you might come back in here and say it wasn't me. I don't know.
No, it's definitely me. I admit to that. But that first one
You
is
already admitted stuff. You got a right to remain silent, sir. I know Mr. Loman is not gonna sit here and admit to nothing.
okay. I mean,
All right, come back on October the 17th, 2022, and bring a valid driver's license, insurance, and registration, and maybe the city will be a little less lenient, a little more lenient on you.
okay, Your Honor, what time?
At 8:30.
Okay, I'll see you then.
All right, have a great day, sir. Good luck to you.
All right, thank you, sir.
All right. O'Neill.
Yes.
Tiana,
Yes.
you ready to admit to something too, Miss O'Neill?
You said what well, Your Honor.
Are you ready to admit to something too?
Because I got my car registration and I got proof of insurance. So what else do you want from me?
You have a license? I can't see the stuff
Well,
because you're not here. You're on the telephone.
I know, this is the number the lady gave me. I tried to sign up with it, but I couldn't. So this is the number she gave me, but I'll bring it down there if I have to. If push comes to shove, I'll drop it off at the front desk before you guys close.
No, you gotta drop it off to the courtroom. All right, let's call the case, but you still have this other case here. That's.
What other case?
Hold on a second. This is the city of Detroit versus Kiana Nicole O'Neill. Case number SP 107-76942. SP 1235725, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
You said what? You asking for a lawyer?
The lawyer is going to put her appearance on the record for you. Go ahead, Ms.
Linda Perkins, more behalf of the defendant.
All right, today is the date time set for a show cause, and she also has a warrant out for her arrest on SP 107-76942. Go ahead, Ms. Perkins Moore.
And on behalf of the defendant, the show cause matter today. It's my understanding she does have a document.
All right, we'll recall any warrant for enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf and give her a $0 bond. The documents are good. Let's see, let's see if she has a valid license. Don't even say anything, ma'am. I'll find out. They love to talk.
I can't even hear you, sir. What did you say?
Well, you got to get another device.
I'm actually just started at this plant, so I ain't want to mess up my 30 days. So I asked my supervisor, and I come here because I'm in trouble.
Let's give her a free trial, and then next time she can sign in. All right. You want to come back on another day? License is canceled. I don't know what that means. Does that mean she's got another license somewhere? She's gone. She's gone. We're gonna give her a free trial date of October 17th, 2022 on all the matter. Okay, that brings me to Mr. Loman. He dodged the bullet. This is the city of Detroit versus Joseph Lewis Loman. Case number SP 117229181, SX 1928181, and U600840021. Appearance for the record, please.
Joseph Moore. Oh, sorry. Linda Perkins Moore, appearing on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
Okay, Corporal Robbins, can you put your appearance on the record, please? Good morning to you.
Corporal Robbins, last 3622, Detroit Police.
All right. Very well. Go ahead, Mr. Today is the date and time set for a trial in the matter. Corporal Robbins, did you talk? You got a chance to talk to the city attorney, correct?
That is correct, Your Honor.
What kind of agreement did you guys come up with?
He was going to offer him a fail to display, FTD.
What about the troopers not here? So you want to make a motion on the ones that didn't show up, Ms. Perkins Moore?
Yes, trying to make a motion to dismiss those matters where the officers failed to appear.
Okay, I'm going to dismiss U600840021. And I'm going to dismiss I don't even have a ticket for you, Corporal Robbins.
Yeah, Your Honor. He was going to have the clerk print out a ticket for it. I have my copy right here.
All right, so how far are you away from getting a driver's license, Mr. Bowman?
Actually, I completed the BDI course. I have my certificate. I was going to ask you for your email. And I just had to go down to the secretary. I'm in the secretary agencies and everything, and I'm ready.
All right, where's Mr. Goss? Robbins, Mr. Goss for people that are very close to getting their license, he's been offering them allowing so that they don't get that additional suspension. He has a very decent driving record.
I'm fine with whatever you want to do, Your Honor. You know me.
I know that's right. But I know he's gonna pull you over if you're out there speeding or doing something too. Because I watch out for him. I said, that looked like Corporal Robbins up there. I'm slowing down. He's gonna make sure that it's order on the streets of Detroit. I'm telling you.
That's understandable.
And we appreciated him for it.
Yeah.
I just want Mr. Goss to get his input in on that. I don't think he'll have a problem. It appears that he can go straight to the Secretary of State. I don't know. It just says, yeah, it appears that you're able to go to the Secretary of State, sir. All right, we'll offer you an allowing $240. I'll dismiss upon payment of the $240, and that will not abstract, so you don't have to worry about any suspension. And you won't have to worry about a misdemeanor on your record if you pay it. You want to take that deal, sir? Unmute yourself. I inadvertently muted.
Since the father has not been the child life in the past.
You want to take that deal, sir?
Yes, sir.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir. I do.
Or you can put your hand down. Sir, do you understand that the maximum possible penalty for this offense? You're free to leave if you want to, Mr. Corporal Robbins.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Make sure you be safe out there, all right?
Yes, Your Honor, thank you.
All right, thank you. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, I do.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
You understand by taking this offer, you're gonna give up that trial right?
Yes, I do.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to March the 4th, 2021, at around 5:33 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Nevada and Sherwood Street. Sir, did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, I did.
Did that officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes.
And you couldn't do so, could you, sir?
No, I couldn't.
Why is that?
Because I didn't have a license. I didn't have a license at that time. It was actually, never was a driver. I was really just starting to drive. I didn't have a license because I was going back and forth to work. And I was trying to prepare to get, I ended up getting the
Very
tickets.
well. It's good. It's all good. You can keep the short story. There's no. And I'm gonna find you guilty of the amended count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. I'm gonna fine you $240 for that, and dismiss that upon payment. So when can you pay, sir?
Well, actually, I'm going on layoff Monday, so if I can get like three to 4 weeks, I'll make sure I make the payment.
All right, I'm gonna give you till September the 12th, 2022.
Okay. And where do I make that payment, at the courthouse or at the Secretary of State?
You can make the payment at the courthouse, or you can pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit.
Okay.
All right, so if it's nothing further, sir, I'm gonna have you back on September the 12th, 2022 to make sure that payment is made and to make sure we get this closed out properly, all right?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, have a good day.
All right, you too.
Hey. Okay, this, O'Neill, press *6 to unmute yourself, Miss O'Neill.
Hello?
Okay, Miss O'Neill.
Yes, I don't know if you can hear me. I'm in a factory.
Let's go back on the record with Mrs. Kiana O'Neill. She has that entering without permission. There's no offer of it. So we can either set a trial date and you can bring that information in that you have with your driver's license and your registration and insurance, or you can go ahead and speak, Mr. Goss.
On what case, Your Honor?
She on O'Neill, Kiana O'Neill. She has an EWOP ticket.
What's the year on it?
The year on it is 2020.
That would be disorderly, Your Honor.
Okay, disorderly conduct on that ticket, $240. You have an absolute right to a trial, ma'am. And then on that trial date, if you choose to have one, you can bring in your documentation for your insurance and stuff. I'm gonna let you speak to Ms. Perkins more in a breakout room, and then she can further advise you, okay?
Okay.
Did you hear me, ma'am?
Yes, I hear you.
I don't hear you very well.
It's really loud in here, sir. I just started a plant. I can hear you
All right,
though.
I hear you a lot better now. That's fine. Talk to Miss Perkins
Okay.
more.
Okay.
Join the room, Miss Perkins more, please. No, not yet. Give me O'Neill's file. I don't know if she's gonna go with the paper now. Yes.
Granny, nobody ever came in the breakout room, just a lot of noise.
Yeah, she's in there.
It's just a lot of noise and nobody responds. I'll go back.
Tell her we'll give her another date, the 17th of October for a pretrial. You can go back. She's in there.
Okay, let me go back again, see if she'll respond.
Hello. 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 Hold on.
I told her to come out, and she said she wanted to get a new date, but she's at work, and I don't know if she's gonna come back in or not, but I told her that they would give her a new date, but she said she had to go.
All right, let's get her back in here.
I didn't hear you.
Okay, Miss O'Neill, come back on October 17th, okay?
Okay, thank you.
8:30 a.m.
Please,